We're fishing.
How was that pull and drag?
So for the Michaels in the chat, we have Michael. Full Throttle is a Michael, and Firebug is a Michael. So Michael, meet Michaels. Kendall says, at least I'm the only Kendall in the chat.
Yeah.
What do I need to do?
Reel my middle board in fast. You just keep reeling that one.
Okay.
I'd rather keep pressure on this fish than get it wrapped up in everything.
Okay, all the way in? Or do you think you're good there?
No, you're probably just going to have to pull them all the way in. Just pull the close board first.
What? Sorry. Hoodie pockets. Have to get used to those again.
That's good. Just lay the rod flat.
This must be a big one.
I mean, I don't know that he's big.
Well, he's made a mess.
Yeah, I'm aware. Is he in it?
Yeah.
All right, well then just set the rod and get it out of the way.
Just set the rod.
Reel it straight back. Nope, you're in it. You're in it. Just.
Okay. Bring me the board.
Well, if you'll give me a second, I'll get you the board, but. All right, you've got line wrapped over the top of me. I mean, you can throw the board down for all I care.
Okay.
Well, go over. Reel yours up. No, put your rod back under. Now take this rod.
Okay.
This is a giant mess. I lose this fish, I might cry.
You're not going to lose it.
Okay. I need rods moved. Oh, shoot. Did you cut one?
No, I didn't cut one. It broke off. But I got all the tackle back.
Okay. Well, that's fine.
We're in 5.8.
Raise your drift paddles. And hope for the best. All the way. God, shallow water fish are so much fun.
Georgia, back up.
All I can do is pull drag to lift. We'll give him a little more. I saw a tail. Oh, he might be 9 pounds, guys. Listen, dude, quit trying to go under the boat. You got him? Just.
Stay. Stay.
You made a mess of everything, sir.
Good fish, babe. Good fish.
I mean, he ain't no baby. Move, Georgia. Here. I need you to take the net and get it out of my way. What are
Georgia.
the odds that you want to cooperate, little buddy?
Georgia Leanne. Bow. Go.
That's cool. That's cool. You just... If you'll just hang out right there with that float in your face, I'd greatly appreciate it. Oh, no. You're going to need that. I'm not going to need that. Everybody sleeps on shallow water.
Quit curling your tail.
That'll do. Good enough. I don't know how good they can see it. Bradley!
There you go.
You gotta love a 5-foot waterfish. Oh, I gotta back up so they can see it. There we go. Everybody sees him. No, Georgia, move.
It's slippery. Might have to spray the back deck.
Good fish.